This last is third generation intelligent diode laser handle. We offer 3 treatment tips. We use 3D magnetic technology of 3 tips. You can put any tip to handle. It will intelligently recognize which tip you have putted, then automatically give the most recommended parameters for treatment. Big tip with 15 by 30 mm spot size for big area treatment, like back, chest, arm, leg. The middle tip with 15 by 15 mm spot size for small area treatment, like face, lip hair, finger hair. The small tip with 8 mm diameter for the treatment of area hard to reach, such as ears or nostrils.
Hello, it's Lily from Style Laser. I have did hair removal 5 days ago with our machines. Now we can see the effect. You can see 聚焦我的手，清楚吗 ？You can see all the hair just out so easily. You can see here. 能看到吗 ？A lot of hairs just you. They come out, they can fall out automatically.